In today's video, I'll show you how to make a copy of a folder in Google Drive. A simple process that's great for creating backups, sharing duplicates, or keeping organized copies of your files. While Google Drive doesn't yet have a one-click copy folder option, there's an easy manual method to get the same result, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially the one that contains the folder you want to duplicate. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders displayed on the main Drive page. Since Google Drive doesn't allow you to directly copy entire folders, we'll start by creating a new folder to place the copied files in. Look toward the left side of the screen and click on the blue New button. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. Now, name your new folder. You might want to give it a similar name to the original, such as Project Files, Copy, or Backup Folder, so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've entered the name, click Create. With your new folder ready, the next step is to open the folder you want to copy. Navigate to it and double-click to open. Inside, you'll see all the files that need to be duplicated. To select everything at once, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. You'll notice that all the files get highlighted. Once everything is selected, it's time to copy the files. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This will copy all the selected files into your clipboard, ready to be pasted into the new folder. Now, go back to your main Drive screen by clicking My Drive on the left-hand menu. Find the new folder you just created and double-click to open it. Once inside, paste all the copied files by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Google Drive will begin uploading the copied versions of your files into this new folder. Depending on how many files you're copying and their sizes, this may take a few moments. You'll see the progress as each file appears inside the folder. And that's it. You've successfully created a duplicate of your folder's contents in Google Drive. The new folder now contains all the same files as the original, completely separate and ready for you to use as a backup or share with others. A quick tip: if you plan to share the folder, right-click it and select Share to adjust permissions and control who can view or edit the files. So now you know how to easily make a copy of any folder in Google Drive using just a few simple steps. This method keeps your files organized and secure while giving you flexibility for collaboration or storage. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more short and practical tech guides like this one.